back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another data entry non-phone work from home job lead for you. Now, this one is going to be just a little bit different, but it is from the company study.com, or the website study.com rather. Now on Glassdoor, they have a 3.8 out of 5-star rating, so almost a 4-star rating. I will have this Glassdoor page as well as the job application linked down in the YouTube description box below if you're interested in applying. But study.com is hiring a data entry specialist for their academic standards. Now this is a contract 1099 role. But they are looking for people, it says teachers who are familiar with high school academic standards, but we'll get into it in a minute. When you hit the apply button, the application is a little bit different. So it's really anybody who has past experience in the education space. They're looking for someone who knows how to use Microsoft Excel and can be detail oriented, because you'll be inputting and organizing academic state standards into a spreadsheet. So that is basically standard data entry. They are looking for someone to take the academic state standards data and just be entering into spreadsheets. Now it says you get paid twice a month via PayPal, and all work is paid per piece or per spreadsheet that you do. So they do not actually list the pay rate. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. It does say pay rates based on spreadsheets do vary based on the length of the content and the complexity. It says that there's no waiting for job assignments. You can work anywhere at any time completely online. So it looks like once they get you set up, you will have an account that you log into, you grab a file, you work it, you turn it in, and you can completely set your own schedule and work when you want to. Now, they are looking for people who are detail oriented and enjoys organization and data entry, someone in the education space that is familiar with teaching a Common Core or state standards, someone who has a great attention to detail, great writing skills, and of course, great Excel skills. Now, when you hit the apply now button and the application comes up, if you have an Indeed profile, you can apply with that, but you'll just fill out your basic information and attach your resume to it. Now, there is a few questions open-ended that you have to answer. One of them is tell your experience or background working with some kind of academic standards, tell your experience with Microsoft Excel, and then they also give you a question to answer on how you would actually use Excel. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.